Hey, hello, welcome. So today we'll be seeing how we can make a div round and as well as centrally align it both vertically and horizontally in a web page. Now for that I'd be using tailwind CSS. So let us start this. I already have that. So let me take body. Inside that I'd be take a div, and then all I have to add the classes. Now I'm using tailwind CSS in CDN, and I have added this in a web page. You have several other ways to add it using npm and other PostScript ways. You can check their website, but I did it in, for the sake of simplicity, I did it using script tag directly. Now here, first of all, the first thing is that all I have to do, make it a square now, and I will give the BG color of say 800. Okay, now you can see this here. Okay, I will make this centrally aligned. To do that, I would be using flex and flex center, item center, and justify right center. Okay, and that would make, now I need to give a height, so height of say 100 VH. Yeah, so it is now vertically and horizontally centrally aligned. Now I have to make it round. To make it round, I have to use a tailwind class that is rounded, and I have to make it full. That's it. Thank you for watching this.